Alright, so I'm going to talk a little bit about some hard questions you're going to find on your group worksheet. These are questions that I'm going to cover like this, and so your next step to finish this unit on lab safety will be to do the group work in the groups I put you in. Which statement below depicts a student following the correct lab safety procedure? A student pours water and an acid into a beaker simultaneously. That's wrong. Do what you oughta and acid to water. The student wears his safety goggles only during. No, always wear safety goggles. A student uses an expired chemical. No. So the answer is a student extinguishes a candle's flame under a fume hood. Why? Because a candle's flame will give us several different vapors. And so it's best to do that in fume hoods where the vapors can be taken out of the room. And the next question. This apparatus is a centrifuge tube, and it will spin. You'll put like pond samples of water and soot and mud in these little test tubes, and then you'll turn it on and it will spin it at high temperatures to separate the liquid and the solid, so separate solids and liquids. The next question, which of the following steps should be taken if an acid spill occurs? This means this is commonly on the SOL, and the answer to this, what I do if an acid spill happens? First, notify supervisor, teacher. The second step, apply the neutralizer, which would be some type of base. Neutralize. Supervisor, neutralize, okay? Mix thoroughly until fizzing and evolution of gases ceases, which means it quits bubbling. It may be necessary to add water to the mixture to complete it. Neutralizer has a tendency to absorb acid before fully neutralizing it. Then last, check the pH, or the pH indicator. Again, the steps are notify supervisor, apply the neutralizer, may have to add some water, check the pH of the solution.